Flour sifters may not be the most glamorous of baking tools, but they are exceptionally useful, offering subtle enhancements to nearly every baking recipe. Their utility extends beyond a singular purpose, making them versatile tools that can impart a distinct touch to your oven-baked creations. Number 5. The 3-cup crank-style sifter is a popular choice among bakers for its durability and versatility. Suitable for various flours and coarse ingredients like bran or almond meal, the canister features engraved measurement markings for convenient usage. The markings allow for rough measuring as flour is added, while the sifting mechanism performs well in testing. The sifter is comfortable to hold during use. Although the manufacturer recommends hand washing, it withstood a dishwasher cycle without issues. However, prolonged exposure to water may lead to potential rusting. Number 4. The Onwen powder sugar shaker with lid is praised for its one-handed operation and the convenience of a plastic lid to prevent mess. It is suitable for situations where only a small amount of flour, powdered sugar, or cocoa powder is needed, such as coating a cake or preparing a cake pan. The stainless steel shaker includes a small mesh screen that screws into the canister, and it comes with a tight-fitting plastic lid for cleanliness and protection against bugs. While it may have limitations for larger sifting tasks, it serves well for specific applications. Number 3. The RSVP International's 1-cup flour sifter is favored for being dishwasher safe, having a small capacity, and enabling one-handed operation. It meets the specific requirement of sifting 1 cup of flour, aligning with the preferences of those who desire a device for both measuring and sifting. The stainless steel sifter is compact at 3 inches tall and 4 inches across, making it easy to store. The 3.5-inch long handle allows for convenient one-handed squeezing to sift ingredients through the mesh. However, the small capacity might be limiting for tasks requiring several cups of flour, and the squeeze-style operation could potentially lead to hand fatigue over time. Number 2. The norpro battery-operated sifter is commended for its large 5-cup capacity, making it ideal for bakers dealing with mobility issues. The electric operation, triggered by a simple push of a button, is a convenient alternative to manual cranking or squeezing. Made from BPA-free plastic with a stainless steel mesh filter, it efficiently sifts flour. The generous capacity minimizes the need for frequent refilling during recipe preparation. However, it requires 1C battery, and if the battery runs out, manual sifting becomes necessary. Number 1. This innovative sifter serves as a multi-purpose tool, designed to reside conveniently in your flour bin. With the ability to measure 1 cup of flour, it can double as a scoop for versatile use. Sifting is made easy by gently shaking the scoop or tapping the side. The design impressed with minimal flour spillage, allowing precise distribution without leaving a messy trail. While it may not be the ideal choice for sifting large amounts of flour for multiple cakes, it excels in tasks like dusting the counter with flour before kneading bread. The 1-cup size provides visibility of flour usage, and its compact design allows for easy storage in the flour bin. Additionally, the model is dishwasher safe for convenient cleaning.